Hi! In this video I want to demonstrate my Arduino-based MIDI sequencer and arpeggiator. In my setup it is connected to Volca Keys synthesizer and sends MIDI messages to this beautiful device. I found my arpeggiator an interesting extension to Volca synthesizer. I have a lot of fun playing with them together. So it has an Arduino Nano inside. You can find the schematics, source code and everything that you need to build your own one in the description to this video. So what is the functionality inside? Practically all Western music is built on so-called music modes. There are several modes called after Greek geographic regions that had traditionally preferred that mode. For example, Ionian, Dorian, Lydian, etc. 8 modes are supported by the arpeggiator and could be chosen during the playtime. I will show it later. Each mode is a set of 7 notes that basically just sound good together. For each of those 7 notes, a chord is chosen. For example, for note C it can be C major or C minor. 7 buttons that you can see here represent a mode, and every button sends one chord to the synthesizer. This chord is arpeggiated. That means simply playing the notes from the chord one for one instead of all together. Now I will make demo. I will switch it on and I will just play one chord. It will be C major. You could see 3 notes played one by one. So this is C major, this is D minor, this is E minor, and again. With this control you can choose the steps of the amount of steps of your arpeggio, of your progression. So for example now it is 3, as you could hear, pam pam pam. You can increase or decrease this amount. For example, let it be 4. Or maybe even 5. Also you can control the arpeggio style. Currently it is rising, so you can hear, I will return to 3, you can hear 3 notes going one by one in rising mode. You can change this mode to descending. Or you can change it to both rising plus descending. The last style, which I really love, is random mode. That means that all the notes from the progression will be played in a random order. Let's hear. I am playing the same chord, but the notes in this chord are played in a random order. Also, you can choose the tonic note of the progression and it will be played separately. Now I will switch to polyphonic mode of the cork. And so there are 2 controls for octave. This control is for the octave of the tonic note, and this control is for choosing the octave of the progression. Let me show you. Now they have the same octave. Now I will change the octave of the tonic root. Now I will change the octave of the progression. Again the tonic root. With this control you can choose the arpeggio mode, the arpeggio mode, this Ionian, Dorian, etc. You can try to hear the difference. So now this is Ionian, that we've already heard, and now I will change it to Dorian. Back to Ionian. It sounds a bit different, but to be honest, from my point of view, the difference is not too much. Okay, this control is tempo. You changing the tempo, you can achieve very interesting results. Let's take a play. Let's include some interesting features of cork.